Each day is a new beginning, a fresh start. As the sun rises, it brings with it a world of possibilities. The dawn is a reminder that no matter what happened yesterday, today is a chance to start anew. It's an opportunity to create something amazing. Whether it's a piece of art, a new idea, or a meaningful connection, the potential is limitless. Every stroke of the brush, every word written, every collaboration can lead to something extraordinary. What will you do with this gift? Don't waste it. Reflect on your dreams and aspirations. This blank page is yours to fill. The choices you make today can shape your future in ways you can't even imagine. Every moment, like a grain of sand, slips through our fingers. Time is fleeting, and once it's gone, we can't get it back. But within each moment lies the potential for greatness. But we get to choose how to use it. Will you take the path less traveled? Will you plan your day with intention? Every decision, no matter how small, can lead to significant outcomes. Will you let it slip away, or will you seize the moment and make the most of it? The choice is yours. Time waits for no one, but it rewards those who take action. Or will you build a masterpiece? Your life is your canvas. Every action you take, every decision you make, adds to the beauty of your creation. Don't be afraid to dream big and work hard. Remember, you are in control of your destiny. The journey may be challenging, but with determination and perseverance, you can reach great heights. Trust in your abilities and stay focused on your goals. You have the power to make today extraordinary. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Each step forward is a testament to your strength and resilience. Believe in yourself and take action. Embrace the challenges, take risks, and push beyond your comfort zone. The world is full of opportunities waiting for you to seize them. Make today count. Time is precious. You can't buy it, you can't save it. Every second that passes is gone forever, slipping through your fingers like grains of sand. You can only spend it wisely. Plan your days with intention, cherish moments with loved ones, and always keep an eye on the bigger picture. Invest it in your dreams. Every minute counts. Whether you're working on a project, honing a skill, or pursuing a passion, each moment is an opportunity to grow and achieve. Don't waste time on things that don't matter. Avoid distractions that pull you away from your goals. Recognize the difference between what is urgent and what is truly important. Focus on what brings you joy, fulfillment, and moves you closer to your goals. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, and find happiness in the journey. Remember, you are not defined by your past. Learn from it, but don't let it hold you back. Embrace the lessons and move forward with confidence. Every moment is a chance to start anew. Each sunrise brings a fresh beginning, a new opportunity to make different choices and create a better future. Make choices today that create the future you desire. Write down your goals, take small steps towards them, and visualize the life you want to build. Your time is your most valuable asset. Use it wisely. Success is not a giant leap, it's small steps taken consistently. What small action can you take today to move closer to your dreams? Break down big goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Celebrate each victory, no matter how small. Progress fuels motivation. Remember, you don't have to be perfect to succeed. You just have to keep moving forward. One step at a time, you can achieve anything. Section 4, embrace the detours. Life is full of challenges. They are not roadblocks, but detours. They test your resolve and shape your character. Don't give up. Obstacles are opportunities for growth. They force you to learn, adapt, and become stronger. Embrace the struggle. It's where you'll find your strength. Remember, you are more resilient than you think. You have overcome challenges in the past, and you can overcome them again. Keep pushing forward. Section 5, the power of now. The past is gone. It is but a memory, a shadow that no longer holds any power over us. The future is uncertain, a mystery yet to unfold. All we have is this moment, this precious, fleeting moment. It is the only time that truly exists, the only time we can truly experience life. Be present, be mindful, savor every experience, no matter how small. Notice the details, the sensations, the emotions. Let them wash over you and enrich your life. Worrying about the past or stressing about the future steals your joy. It robs you of the beauty and peace that can be found in the here and now. Focus your energy on what you can control, your thoughts and actions in this moment. Practice mindfulness, engage in activities that ground you, and bring your attention back to the present. Remember, happiness is not a destination, it's a state of being. It is found in the simple, everyday moments that we often overlook. Choose to find joy in the present moment, and you'll unlock a life of fulfillment. Embrace the now and let it fill your heart with gratitude and contentment. Section 6. Your time starts now. You have the power to create a life you love. It starts with a single decision, to make every moment count. What will you do today? Don't wait for tomorrow. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The time is now. Take action. Make your mark on the world. Remember, you are capable of extraordinary things. Believe in yourself. Embrace the journey and make every second count.